Hello everyone, this is Ariane from La Fille de la Mer. We are in January, it is the new year, it is the cold season. Well, here it's cold anyways. I don't know if it's cold where you are, depending on where you're living. But for us, winter is also dry season, or no, dry skin season, and it's time to make our whipped body butters. These little jars are the perfect product. If you have dry skin, it's perfect for your hands, your feet, your legs. In winter, my legs get so chalky dry, and I don't have like really dry skin in normal, but in winter, it's just like, I feel like a snake the flakes are coming off. Anyways, so I wanted to show you the process of making our whipped body butters. And of course, we use raw unrefined shea butter from Baraka Shea butter, as we have been using for many years. If you would like to purchase their shea butter, we have a link in the description box. And today we're going to be whipping up a base that I've prepared ahead yesterday. So the different steps to making this whipped body butter are rather simple, but it takes a couple days to get through the whole process. So on day one, we combine our oils and butters in a large stock pot and we melt them over low heat. We have, of course, the shea butter, which comprises 50% of the formula. Then we have extra virgin coconut oil, as well as cocoa butter that are also from Baraka Shea butter. And then we add mango butter, argan oil, and jojoba oil. And then we put this in a big stock pot and melt it all down, stir it to combine everything so that everything is evenly distributed and combined. And then we put the stock pot in the fridge and we stir it every hour until we feel that it wants to re-solidify. And then we let it set on the counter overnight until it sets up just like this. So in order to whip the butter, we need to melt it down because the cocoa butter is too hard to be whipped, and we want to incorporate our liquid oils. And the best way to do that I have found is to melt everything down, re-solidify it, and then put it into a mixing bowl just like so and start whipping, which is what you're going to see right now on screen. As I'm speaking, I'm using images that I took prior this morning and yesterday to illustrate. And also with you today, we're going to be mixing and whipping our mango and coconut whipped body butter, because that is our most popular, and I've never made a video about this one. So keep watching, we're going to be whipping. In order for this body butter not to be extra greasy, we are using a cosmetic grade tapioca starch. And this will help to reduce the oiliness on the skin. Because of this tropical scent, we are coloring it with a skin-safe, cruelty-free orange vibrance mica. It is from Nurture Soap, and it is skin-safe. It is eye and lip safe. It's for general use, so we're gonna put some in there before we start whipping. The fragrance oil is actually a home blend made of fresh mango from Brambleberry and the lime and the coconut from Vicente. Look at that, how creamy it is. I love the texture of whipped body butter. You could use it just you know, like this if it wasn't whipped, but the texture is just so much better. So nice on the skin, and you can actually feel the micro air bubbles popping just like whipped cream when you put your finger in the jar. It's pretty cool. All right, so, and it's time to fill the jars. I could use a piping bag, but I've always filled these by hand. I just prefer doing it this way. So I take a spoon and I put my jar on a scale and I tare it and I fill it to 65 grams. And that's how we do it. And that is how our whipped body butters are made. I hope you enjoyed watching the process. These are available on my website. You can find the link right up here or down below. And we have the whipped body butters available in unscented, sweet kiss, mango and coconut. We have lavender and lemon. Oh, and also mint and cucumber. So check these out. They are all available right now. Thank you for watching and take care.